Hello and thanks for watching me again. In this video, I'm going to explain how to use GMiner software to do any cryptocurrency mining. And of course, I'm talking here about the currency that use the same algorithm which are supported by the GMiner. The last video I was talking about Ethereum mining using AWS, but today I'm going to make it wider and I will explain the software itself. Then you can use the currency that you want later on. Of course, I need to choose at the end one currency to show the example and to make it works next to you. And I would use RVN. Okay, this is the tubeminer.com, the website, which like using the GMiner, which is like quite easy to use this. They have the blog which explains the software, as you can see, the software of the GMiner and what it supports. You know that like there are many NVIDIA graphic cards, and here they just put the list down. I'm talking about like if you see the list, like the list is a little bit bigger than what you can see here. All right, in order to install and start the mining, we need a couple of things. Of course, we need the GMiner software, we need AWS account, we need EC2 with the GPU, and we will start with the B2 instance or B2 instance family. We need a coin wallet. I'm going to use Exodus. We need the Cuda toolkit update 30. So let's go to the AWS console, launch the instance. Of course, you know how to do it. Type Ubuntu. We need to know what is the latest version which is supported. If you go to this, then we will see that it's Ubuntu 20.04. Just type Ubuntu, click, and you will see the first one is 20.04. Select. Then go to instance family. B2, where is it? Okay, it's here. Click on it. Then we need the first one because it's cheaper. I think it's less than $1 just to do the testing. Then if we need to go higher, we will create MI. Then we will launch it with a different EC2 instance. But this one contains the GPU and contain the low price. Configure instance details. I think we don't need anything here. Next. All right. Usually I do it with a 10 GB, but last time it was saying that the data, like the storage is full. So make it 20. Add the tag, name, we will name it RVN mining. Go to the security group, select existing. Okay, I did it for the Dogecoin before, but here you have to make sure that the ports are 6060 is open with the security group. Review and the launch. To the keyboard, launch the instance. It will take a couple of seconds to be up. So go to the EC2 instance, grab the IP address. Okay, I don't need this. I have to close it. Okay, first of all, just let's do SSH. Username is Ubuntu. I will save it. Okay, I don't need this. Let's close all the putty session. Here, open. Yeah, it's up. Yes. Sudo su. Yum update. It's okay. apt get update. Just to update the operating system to make sure that we have the latest libraries. All right, now we need to install or like we need to download the GMiner. This is the website, copy the link address, go to the Ubuntu, make directory, GMiner, then go to inside this GMiner directory and do wget, paste the link. Of course, as I said, you can just like copy the link, it will copy to the clipboard and you will download it. Now you need to untar it, tar-xf to this, then it will be untar and all the data will be available. ls-ltr, you will see everything you needed here. Okay, now if you just run this, we said that we are going to use RVN coin. If you just run it, you will say that the device not found. Why? Because we don't have the Cuda toolkit installed in order to run the GPU. All right, so let's start. Go to the documentation and we will start step by step to follow the installation guide for the Ubuntu. First of all, we need to check if that we have the capable Cuda GPU. Copy the comment, go here, click it. Yeah, we have this NVIDIA Corporation GK with the Tesla K80. So it's supported. Go and let's see if we have the version of Ubuntu that we need. Copy this. Okay, we have Ubuntu 20.04, which is fine. Do we have the GCC, the compiler? Do we have it? No, then we have to install the compiler apt install GCC. All right, then go down, uname -r. I don't think that we need it, but anyway, let's just run this. It just will give you the operating system name. Yeah, it's AWS, so the version is fine. Let's go down. We don't need to do any of these. Ubuntu. Okay, here, do we need to install the developer package? I think it's already installed, but let's see. I think there is nothing to install here or download. Then everything is fine. Go to, so what we need to do else? Yeah, now go to the developer. Okay, this is to install the Cuda toolkit. Click here. I already opened it before. Anyway, it's the same like this one. And Linux, 64-bit, Ubuntu, 2004 will be at the network, and we need to copy paste every comment here. I think the last one will take a long time, so I don't need to pause the video right now. Okay, copy this one again. Yeah, so what else we need? We have one more comment on this one to add the repository. Again, I don't think that it will take a long time. Yeah, done. Then we need to do update for, of course, sudo. We don't need to do sudo, but I'm just copying paste, so override. Now, this will take a long time. And let me pause the video here because it's going to do the download, then it will go to do the installation. So I'm going to pause the video here. Okay, now it's done. Let's run it. First of all, let's check the NVIDIA SMI. Okay, so this is telling you that the NVIDIA Tesla K80. What happened here is this Tesla K80 is not supporting the toolkit, the Cuda toolkit, which means that even when we install the toolkit, it will not find the device. This is because it's like the Cuda needs higher version of the GPU chip, and it's not this one. It's not available into P2 EC2 instance family. So what we need to do, we need okay, let me just run it next to you. If you click here, okay, you will see that the fair to initialize the miner for the GPU 0. There is no kernel image available for the execution on this device. No device for mining, but to the higher version of EC2 instance. Let me show you how we will do this one. So we can go back to the AWS console, select the EC2 instance, not this one, actions. If you click on the actions, go to the image and the template, create an image. Just let's name it RVN Emma. That's fine. Create an image. That's all. It will take almost 20 minutes. So I'm going to pause the video here, and I will come back when the AMI is ready. Select when you launch the AMI, select the EC2 instance. You don't need to do anything here. The storage is 20 GB. Just name it in order to be able to follow it later. RVN mining one, mine P3, P3 it's better. Select the existing. Of course, we need the Dogecoin. I need to change the name, but anyway, it's fine. Launch, choose the key pair, acknowledge, yes. It will take a couple of seconds to be up. So just go, okay, switch off the old one because we don't need it. We have the AMI and we are going to use the higher version. So go to refresh, no, okay. This is, yeah, we need to grab the IP address of this new EC2 instance. New, just go here. Save it, open. Is it up or not yet? Do you think that, okay, I think it will take a little bit time to be initialized. Okay. Yeah, it will take couples of seconds. Connection timeout. All right. So I think it should be up now. Right click, then receive the session. Yeah, it's up. Yes. Now, of course, go to sudo apt get update just to make sure that we have the latest things all together. It's very slow. Could be because it's still under the initialization. I'm recording. Okay, done. All right. So now if NVIDIA SMI, it will give us that. Okay, we have it. So which means that it's working. Go to the GMiner and just run this. We don't need to do any changes because we did the AMI. Just run it, and I think it should work perfectly right now. Okay, right, slow. Okay, initializing. Cool. All right. Okay, it seems now it's start to connect, which is also very good. Shall I say very good? Without error, yeah, it's verification complete without errors, which means that we start to communicate with the pool, mining pool, and I think we will start receiving the packet and we will start doing the mining within couple of seconds. Yeah, done. So now we receive the hash, 0. Let's wait for a couple of seconds more. But here it will give you the information regarding the GPU and the speed, shares, core, whatever. So it's running well. We can see that it's really moving very good without any problem so far. But the RVN price right now, it's dropped too much. If we wait little, if you start to do the mining right now, you will cover all your losses. The RVN become back to the top. It's almost like 0.2, like 20 cents. It will be profitable for you. This is all for this video. Okay, before I close, just like if you go to the GMiner directory, you will see that these are the currencies that you can use. As I said, you just like put the wallet number, run it, and it will be fine. That's all for this video. I hope you like it. I hope you will get benefit from this one. Please share it with your friend, subscribe to this channel, because this will let me do more research and try to figure out more things about AWS. And I hope that next video, I'm going to show something related to the network load balancer and other things into AWS. Thank you so much. Have a nice and great day. Bye-bye.